Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Civic key fob battery, only way. Pry the seam gently with a small flathead screwdriver to separate the halves. Remove the old CR2032 battery using fingertip pressure or a plastic pick, taking care not to touch the circuit with metal. Insert the new CR2032 with the positive side up, snap the halves closed, and test the buttons at the door before using the car. Start by finding the notch along the fob edge and insert a small flathead screwdriver. Twist gently until the case pops open and set the cover aside on a soft surface. Note the battery orientation and use a plastic pry tool to lift out the old CR2032 without touching the circuit. Clean the contacts if needed, place the new battery positive side up, and press the case halves together until they click securely. After closing the fob, test each button near the car to confirm responsiveness and range. If a button fails, reopen the case to reseat the battery or clean the contacts with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol. Remember to reinsert the emergency key and test the mechanical lock too. If problems persist, consult a dealer or locksmith since some fobs need reprogramming after battery removal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.